So here I am today, just wanted to say happy 10th anniversary to the entire PCBWay team. Congratulations for 10 years of great service, 10 years of offering us great quality products, anything from PCB prototyping services, CNC, 3D printing and a lot more. And of course, big thanks from me as a creator for helping me create these childhood dreams that come true a little bit later. And for your understanding that I don't always have the free time to create these videos or to work on these little projects. I don't even have so many YouTube subscribers, and you still decided to support me. So that tells a lot about you as a company and your support towards me as a creator. It means very much. Thank you one more time. Congratulations one more time. And happy anniversary. What can I say? Many more years of great business from today.